Money plant, Epipremnum aureum, also known as devil's ivy, is a popular houseplant known for its attractive trailing vines and easy care. It features heart-shaped, glossy green leaves that can grow up to several inches long. Its purifies indoor air, symbolizes good fortune, and requires minimal care with low light and moderate watering. Its glossy leaves and trailing vines are ideal for hanging baskets and pots, enhancing spaces with beauty and luck. Money plants directly in the ground is feasible in suitable climates. Choose a well-draining location with indirect sunlight or partial shade. To propagate a money plant through cutting, start by selecting a healthy stem with at least a couple of nodes where leaves emerge. Using sharp scissors or pruning shears, cut a 4 to 6 inch, 10-15 centimeter section of the stem just below a node. Remove any leaves near the bottom of the cutting, leaving 1-2 leaves at the top intact. Properly watering a money plant is crucial for its health and growth. To do this effectively, start by checking the soil moisture. Before watering, always feel the top inch of soil with your finger. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Money plants prefer moderately moist soil, so aim to water them when the top inch feels dry to the touch. Typically, watering once a week is sufficient, but adjust frequency based on factors like temperature and humidity. When watering, pour water slowly and evenly onto the soil until it begins to drain from the bottom of the pot. Avoid watering too quickly or allowing water to run off the surface before it can soak in. Good drainage is also essential to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot and other issues. By following these steps, you can ensure your money plant thrives and remains healthy. To ensure your money plant thrives, it's crucial to start with the right soil mix. A balanced blend is key, combining 1 part potting soil with 1 part perlite or coarse sand. This mixture promotes good drainage essential for the plant's root health. For added nutrients, consider incorporating 1 part compost into the mix. Alternatively, substituting some potting soil with cocoa coir enhances moisture retention while maintaining a well-draining environment. Thoroughly mix these components to create a homogeneous soil blend before potting your money plant, ensuring it has the ideal foundation to flourish indoors or outdoors. The money plant offers numerous benefits when grown indoors. Apart from its aesthetic appeal with its lush green foliage, the plant is known for its air-purifying properties. It efficiently removes toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air, thereby improving indoor air quality. Additionally, caring for a money plant is relatively low maintenance, making it ideal for those with busy schedules or limited gardening experience. Its ability to thrive in indirect light and adaptability to various indoor conditions further adds to its appeal as a popular houseplant. Moreover, according to feng shui principles, the money plant is believed to bring prosperity, wealth, and positive energy into the home. Overall, incorporating a money plant into indoor spaces not only enhances decor, but also contributes to a healthier and more harmonious living environment. Epipremnum aureum is a versatile and low-maintenance vine that can thrive outdoors in gardens. This plant can also tolerate lower light conditions, though it may grow more slowly and with less variegation in such settings. When choosing a spot in your garden, ensure the soil is well-draining and enriched with organic matter. A mixture of garden soil with compost or peat moss helps retain moisture and provides essential nutrients for healthy growth. Plant the money plant at the same depth it was in its nursery container, gently spreading out the roots when placing it in the hole. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil around the roots. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods, but allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings to prevent root rot.